Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. The biggest list of affiliate marketing tips make money online. Today, many of us want to pack up our jobs and be our own bosses. The idea of working for you attracts many. However, the reality of making it happen soon stops most. In fact, the vast majority of us cannot get a business off the ground due to two main factors. The first being money, and the second being risk. Starting even a small business takes a fair amount of money. You need to buy or rent premises, purchase your stock and equipment, and pay staff if you have them. You will also have other outside expenses such as advertising. Risk is the factor that kills most businesses off. Even if you're lucky enough to get the capital to start, nearly 90% of all small businesses fail in the first year. If yours is one of the lucky ones, you have to keep reinvesting your time and money to build up the business's reputation. It could be anywhere from 5 to 7 years before any significant profit is seen. Most of us cannot wait that long, which is what makes affiliate marketing such an attractive offer. Affiliate marketing involves you working as an affiliate for a merchant or company. You sell either goods or services, and you're paid on how much you produce. There are no costs and no risk. You put in what you choose and are rewarded accordingly. Running an affiliate marketing business is challenging. You'll have to work very hard to build it up. However, you'll be rewarded for your hard work, not someone else. Getting an affiliate marketing program going may seem difficult. The truth is, it is down to you and how much you want to put in. There is no surefire way to success, but there are some good tips that you can follow to make your affiliate marketing scheme as successful as possible. There are literally thousands of programs for you to choose from. However, to get started, you may want to choose something that you are familiar with. This product or service may not be the hottest thing on the current market or make you a millionaire, but you will come off more confident and sincere with something you know and believe in. This will also help when it comes to creating your site. Something familiar will allow you to be personal and creative. Trying to create a site around something you know little about will soon become boring and tedious. Working with something familiar will also give you some experience in the program. You can always expand at a later time when you are more familiar with how things work. Another good piece of advice is to watch the number of banners that you put up. A site full of banners will make the site look ugly and put off potential buyers. Carefully place your banners and use them to accent your site. Stuffing it full will not help. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, there is no such thing as the perfect program. Any particular program will be stuffed full of varying testimonials. Some will be great while others will have not done so well. You need to decide for yourself and not be put off by a few bad experiences. In the end, it is down to you and how much you want to put in. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money and work for you. The risk to you is minimal and there is no startup cost. There are many great affiliate marketing programs out there, and choosing the right one may seem like a daunting task. When you first start out, remember to stick to what you know. Find something you know about and have an interest in. Make your site attractive to others and resist the urge to fill it with banners. This may end up having the opposite of your desired effect. Finally, remember, there is no perfect program. Some will have success where others have failed. It is all down to you. Don't give up. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier, a multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net